In this video, I'm going to be doing a Hostgator SSL Certificate Additional Services review. This is the SSL certificate that is listed under the Hostgator Additional Services section at checkout. I'll be going over what the Hostgator SSL Certificate Additional Service is, along with answering the questions, is Hostgator SSL Certificate Additional Service worth it? Do you really need Hostgator SSL Certificate Additional Service? I'll also be covering the difference between the free Hostgator Let's Encrypt SSL certificate that is included with all Hostgator plans and this additional service option. By the end of this video, you should have a clear understanding of the Hostgator SSL certificate add-on and whether or not it's worth having for your needs over the free Hostgator Let's Encrypt SSL certificate. I'll also be providing you with an exclusive Hostgator promo code that Hostgator has provided me with so you can save some money on your Hostgator domain name and web hosting purchase. You will get up to 66% off Hostgator hosting plus a free domain name for annual plans or a domain discount for non-annual plans. To take advantage of the Hostgator discount, just click the link in the description below and enter the promo code CUPID60 at checkout. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Hostgator at no extra cost to you. Plus you'll get an awesome Hostgator discount. Let's get started with the Hostgator SSL Certificate Additional Service review. So what is Hostgator SSL Certificate Additional Service? The Hostgator SSL Certificate offered as an additional service is a free upgrade to a Positive SSL Certificate. The Positive SSL Certificate comes with a $10,000 warranty by Comodo and provides you with a free trust site seal that you can put on your website. The $10,000 warranty covers the end user, which means your customer. Let's say you have an e-commerce site and you are selling products online. The customer buys the product and inputs their payment information. If for some reason, maybe a data breach or hack takes place and the certificate authority fails to properly validate the information contained in the digital certificate, and this leads to the customer to lose money via a fraudulent credit card transaction, the customer can claim for warranty compensation. The difference between the free Hostgator Let's Encrypt SSL certificate and the upgrade to the Positive SSL certificate is the Positive SSL certificate comes with the $10,000 warranty by Comodo and the trust site seal that is provided that you can put on your site. So in my opinion, is Hostgator SSL certificate additional service worth it? I would say for most, the free Let's Encrypt SSL certificate that comes with Hostgator plans is all you need. The upgrade to the Positive SSL certificate, in my opinion, would really only be beneficial if you're going to have an e-commerce site and sell things online on your website where customers input their payment information on the site. I hope this Hostgator SSL Certificate Additional Service review video helped you answer the question of whether you really need Hostgator SSL Certificate Additional Service. If you haven't already, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more hosting video tutorials. Leave us a comment, we love hearing from you.